Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create a favicon icon for your website. Here you can go and type create a favicon, and you can use this online tool. Here you can go and simply you can upload the image. You can also create favicon from text to ICO format. So now I want to add image. Let me go and select the image file, this one, then click on download button. So now we got this one favicon. Now let me go, and here you can check the file format, this one, properties, so .ico format. Now you can simply go in your website. Let me go in website dashboard, and after that click on settings, then general tab. So here you can add your site icon. You can simply go and upload the file.